हाय, आर यू अनएम्प्लॉयड? आर यू वरिड कि आपको ही जॉब क्यों नहीं मिल रहा है? आर यू स्ट्रगलिंग फॉर ओवर अ ईयर टू फाइंड अ गुड डिसेंट जॉब? If you've answered yes to all of these questions, I want to let you know, so did I. So did I. This is not an ad. This is not a QVC ad. I feel you. I feel you to the heart, to the core, to your gut. I feel you because मैं आपकी ही बोट में स्विम कर रही हूँ साइड बाय साइड. बोट में तो बैठते हैं. We are boating in the same lake. That's what I want to say. हाय, मेरा नाम है अदिति. आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति. दिस इज़ माई मार्च मैराथन. न्यू एपिसोड एवरी सिंगल डे 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. I do hope you tune in. I do hope you share. It helps me reach a wider audience. That's all. Yeah. आज का टॉपिक, कंसर्निंग टॉपिक इज़ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. मेरा ऐसे मानना है कि यार अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट हैज़ गॉन अप बिकॉज आई एम लिटरली नॉट एबल टू फाइंड अ सिंगल कंपनी हायरिंग मी फॉर ओवर अ ईयर नाउ. 1 साल से स्ट्रगल कर रही हूँ. आई जस्ट डोंट गेट इट, which in a way is shameful because I have to ask for money. And then I went online and I saw this post by We Are Yuva करके है Instagram पे, We Are Yuva. And I saw them posting about IIM and IITs struggling to maintain 100% placement for their students, and hence they had recently asked their passed out students, alumni to help out the current batch with the placement. अब मेरा क्वेश्चन है, अगर IITs and IIMs को जॉब नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं इन देयर डिज़ायर्ड सेक्टर, या तो हम कौन हैं? हमारा क्या वजूद है? हु आर वी? व्हाट आर वी? हम कुछ नहीं है. इन लोगों के सामने हम कुछ नहीं है. जो हम नॉर्मल बैचलर किए हुए, बैचलर मास्टर वट नॉर्मल इससे किए हुए, वी आर नॉट इवन टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक गेटिंग इट डन फ्रॉम IITs एंड IIMs. हम नॉर्मल एवरेज कॉलेजेस से किए हुए बच्चे हैं. हमारा क्या होगा अगर इन लोग का ही ऐसा हालत हो रहा है तो. सो बेसिकली द पोस्ट वॉज अबाउट कि अरे भाई, इतने बड़े इंस्टीट्यूट को भी मांगना पड़ रहा है अपने अलुमनाई बैच से, पास्ड आउट बैचेस से, कि भाई अगर जॉब होगा तो करंट बैच को हेल्प आउट कर दो टाइप. एंड इट इज़ ओके आई गेस टू आस्क फॉर दीज इंस्टीट्यूट्स. मतलब ये इंस्टीट्यूट्स, the post kind of was like this ki they were trying to shame sort of the universities ki they are asking their passed out batches when they are not themselves able to provide job to the current batch. And so I feel that hey, it's okay to ask for your passed out alumni batches for a job in their company. It's okay to ask. Why not? If the university is reaching out to their past batchmates and past people, sure, why not? क्यों नहीं पूछेंगे? क्यों नहीं? For the record to be 100% placement to happen every single time तो नहीं होगा ना, for sure. So it's okay. Why shame the universities? At the end of the day, they want their students to get placed, and the students also want to get placed to start earning money. Especially the money they have invested in their education, उसका रिटर्न तो मिलना चाहिए ना. क्यों नहीं? आई डोंट माइंड. अगर मेरे बिहाफ पे कोई इतना बड़ा यूनिवर्सिटी बोल रहा है तो आई वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी इन अ वे. या देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन शेमिंग सच यूनिवर्सिटीज. बस एनीवेज दोस हु आर ऑफरिंग आर आस्किंग एट दिस पॉइंट. अगर मैं बाहर मार्केट में जॉब लेने भी जा रही हूँ, those who are offering the job are asking for so much work and just इतना काम, in return में चिल्लर मिल रहा है. चिल्लर that you want to ask whether this work that I'm doing for them is even worth it. मैं टाइम एक्सचेंज कर रही हूँ for money, and the money that they are offering is not even worth the amount of time and effort and energy that I'm putting out to get the work done. This conversation started on We Are Yuva on Instagram, and so many people in the comments have been struggling and grappling with the reality of it all, that it was just unbelievable. I thought कि मैं ही शायद struggle कर रही हूँ, शायद मेरे पास ही experience नहीं है. But I've been working for past 3 years, and it was shocking to see not to be able to find jobs. You need to read the comment section, honestly, please. We are talking about well-educated people with master's degree. I'm not even going to talk about undergrad bachelor's degree. The unemployment has shot up and every company is laying off tens and tens and tens of thousands of employees. अब जाए तो जाए कहाँ? For every job now, there's just so much competition. There's so many candidates for competing for the same role. Even if you think कि you want to become a YouTuber or a content creator, there are already so many people doing the same. And if you start today, you would think कि पैसा आएगा, but then you need to be qualified to be monetized for the content, and even for that you would remain unemployed for around 6 months to a year until you hit that threshold to be monetized. Yeah, right? Like आप तब तक क्या करोगे, right? 6 महीने से 1 साल तक आप करोगे तो करोगे क्या? एंड यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट, यू हैव टू नो आपका नीश क्या है, आपको क्या पसंद है, आप क्या वैल्यू प्रोवाइड कर सकते हो. ऐसे ही तो कोई बड़ा नहीं हो जाता है, राइट? कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यू तो प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा, राइट? It's just the market, YouTube ka market is also so very saturated. Instagram is so very saturated. You just need to know what you're good at, and you have to keep doing it again and again and be good at it. Yeah, actually be good at it. What are we really supposed to do? I was considering getting my master's degree. But in this scenario, in this environment, this economic climate, it is absolutely stupid to waste nonsense amount of money on a degree that won't even score you or score me a job. मतलब आखिरी में job करना ही है ना. At this point, everyone has a startup and the amount of work is shit and the pay is even shittier. तो जो job आ भी रहे हैं उसमें वही बोल रही हूँ ना कि पैसा कुछ भी नहीं है. नोबडी वांट्स टू वर्क फॉर एनीबडी, ऐसा माइंडसेट हो गया है. हर कोई देख लो जॉब अपना कंपनी खोल रहा है, शार्क टैंक पे जा रहा है एंड बस इन्वेस्टर्स चाहिए है एंड दैट्स दैट. everyone wants to be their own bosses without realizing ki how much effort, how much energy it takes to actually run a company. Entrepreneurs do not stop day in day out. Days are really long. You would think कि आपके पास सादा कॉर्पोरेट जॉब है 10 से 5, 10 से 7, जो भी आप काम कर रहे हो, दैट इज़ लाइक द आवर्स, बट यू स्टिल गेट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू गेट द मॉर्निंग आवर्स फॉर योर सेल्फ, यू गेट द after 7 hours for yourself. But if you are a business owner, it's like 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. sometimes even further. 13, 14, 15 घंटे लोग काम करते हैं. ये लोग इतना ज़्यादा, you are on the run, you don't stop. That's the life of an entrepreneur, at least. Yeah, truly, if you look at so many employees being laid off, I think this is because of the effects of pandemic. And उसमें आप pandemic डालो and फिर recession डाल दो कि it's just hitting so hard in the whole global market. global scale पे बात कर रहे हैं हम, अब इंडिया में भी नहीं, but just the entire global job market is fucked right now, just fucked. While a lot of people in the comments were like either looking for a change कि भाई अब हम 30-35 के हो गए, this job is not fulfilling. Of course they want to make the change, they're too scared to make the change, or either they've jumped and now they're not able to find a job, or they are just stuck at that role and they know how bad the market is and they're not able to quit or exit the company, or at the end of the day are simply blaming the government for us all to be in this predicament. Like मुझे ऐसा लगता है, I realized I am simply not alone. I also want everybody to remember this कि भाई when I mention jobs with shitty pay or even bad workplace culture, a lot of people in that We Are Yuva on Instagram post commented the same way कि भाई जॉब अगर होगे भी मार्केट में कुछ बचे कुछ तो इतना गंदा पे है, या तो फिर उनका वर्क प्लेस कल्चर इतना ख़राब है कि इट इज़ जस्ट नॉट वर्थ योर मेंटल एंड फिजिकल हेल्थ. इट्स जस्ट नॉट वर्थ इट. कभी कभी फिजिकल टोल आ जाता है वो सब प्रेशर का, और पैसा भी नहीं दे रहे, कुछ पर्क्स बेनिफिट्स भी नहीं दे रहे. इट जस्ट सक्स. Like we are in the state of global crisis. Bunch of madmen fighting. The environment keeps getting more polluted. People losing job left and right. The world population keeps going up, and then people blame the kids who decide to move abroad and want to work abroad. At least the Indians. कि भाई अरे क्यों जा रहे हैं, बताओ, इन्हें तो यहाँ जाना है, इन्हें तो वहाँ जाना है. Like I legit had a sad 40-year-old lawyer sitting right next to our table in a cafe overhear me and my friend having a conversation about this and said, "Kya hoga is desh ka?" Yeah, we were questioning that too, buddy. We were questioning that too. When there are not enough job roles, you do what you have to do to take care of yourself, of your family. You have to take the unconventional route to get there. Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna stop right here. I feel like maybe I'm just too frustrated. But the situation is very real. Me and my brother had an argument where I'm like, I told him, has the unemployment gone up or gone down? And he says कि the unemployment has gone down, but what I feel is the unemployment globally has gone up. Yeah, that's what I feel. Anyways, do let me know what you think about the episode. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.